friends, in this video we are going to learn a concept how to delete custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager. Might be you have created a wrong custom audience and now you want to just delete that custom audience so you don't get confused whenever you create a new campaign next time. So as you can see, I'm into my ads manager, I'm into the audiences section, and here we have 3 custom audience, among which I want to delete this particular custom audience, the website visitors trial 123. Then how I can delete it? I will simply click on this custom audience and will click on actions and will click on delete and delete audience. So it was super easy to delete a custom audience if you have created a wrong custom audience in your ad account. Thank you so much. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.